empty blue sky. Take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. The shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. Come on over here, lower them stairs. I've got all the tools after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. The shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. To indigo, to say hello. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and harps made out of golden strings. I give anything. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. To say hello.
Alright guys, so here is the little finished wave. It already got one coat of resin. It needs a second coat. There was like a little pit in it. I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. The other heart has already sold. This is a really busy time for me, so this video, I probably filmed this video about 3 weeks ago and just now getting to editing it and showing the finished pieces. We have another heart that I did the same day, so this is going to get resin. This is similar in color to the other one that I did. These are just some of the other things that I make for my little shop. I have a peace sign, that's new. The hearts, obviously I make those, and then I have a Hamsa hand. I've made a couple of those so far and they've sold. Let's see what else I have. These cutting boards. So I sell a lot of the cutting boards. People really like them for cheese boards. This one is the shape of New Jersey. My process is first I paint it, and if I do sand, I don't always put the sand and the shells on, but if I do that first, and then I'm going to do the resin. Over here, I have a heart-shaped cutting board. How cute is that? That's new. And look at the little sea turtle. He's very cute. Then I'm starting the process of making my Christmas decorations. Got these new ones. These are little surfboards, but they already have the hole in them. It's really cute. And I'm going to be putting resin on them, but I obviously same process. I paint them first and put the shells and stuff like that on. What else do I have? I'm going to show you while we're here. Some other ornaments here, and these are hand painted. These are just little, and it's stuck to the paper. Oh gosh. Hand painted little waves. And there's a lot of texture in them. I thought these were cute because they were on the round. Yeah. So I think I'm going to put resin on these. Maybe. We'll see. Let's see what else. Look at, oh my gosh, what a mess. Some cutting boards that are curing. Getting ready to go into my shop. Then I have my New Jersey signs. These have been really, really popular. I think especially with like kids going away to college in this area, they want them for their dorm rooms. I got more going up there. It's just crazy. So I'm always making them. So that's pretty much it. This is my studio. I'm outgrowing it very quickly. I took over the guest room in the house, and now I need something bigger. But anyway, guys, hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.